gloves, and more gloves, or gauntlets, whatever you want to call them. What's up, guys? We're going back out on the Ninja 400. Woo! Just going on a short ride right now. It's still water. See what's going on down there. I don't know if too much is going on, but we're about to find out. I've been getting gas way more lately because I've been taking this bike out way too much. Now, I was going to talk a little bit about why this is such a great beginner bike and why more people should seek to get bikes like this, like 400cc bikes, for example, 2 cylinders, whatever. One, they're really cost effective, and maintenance is not really all that much money because the parts on this bike are really cheap compared to like a race bike, ZX6R, ZX10R, R1, Honda CBR 1000. You know, all the top bikes are going to be way more expensive because all the parts are way more high-end. So there you go. Second, you get a lot of power with these bikes. It's not like you don't have power. These bikes can whip out 115, 120 miles per hour on the highway, and if you're looking for a thrill, I think that suffices. If you're a beginner anyways. I mean, we're talking about beginners here. Oh, look at that. I was just about to speed up. Now, is there more deer is the question. Number 3, if you're loaning this bike, and I got this comment on a video that out the door, you're gonna be spending about $7,000 for this bike. And that is very true. Depending on where you go, you're gonna be spending anywhere from $1,000 to $1,800 extra on top of that MSRP for this bike. And you can go and get a bike used. I would recommend, if you want to do that, definitely try to ride the bike a lot and have a sheet with you, checking off things as you go to make sure that the bike is not crapped out, because a lot of people like to sell bikes after they drop it for the first time, or they've used the bike too much, or something went wrong. If you're buying from a dealer used, you have a way better chance of the bike not having anything wrong with them, because they have to do all that Carfax shit or whatever it is for motorcycles. Point being, if you can get a bigger bike for cheaper, that is up to you as a rider to decide. And if you want to ride a bigger bike and a faster bike, got to make sure it has ABS, or if you don't want to roll with ABS, that's fine. Just make sure you know how to ride a damn bike without ABS. And I believe that everyone should know how to ride a bike without ABS. All right, here we go. But yeah, loaning the bike, the payment can be up there or it could be down low, depending on your down payment. And insurance for this bike, full coverage if you're loaning the bike, it's not too bad. I'm doing 70 bucks a month for full coverage with $2,000 accessory damage on this. So it could be better. it could be a lot better. For example, a ZX6R with full coverage and my same stuff that I have on this bike right now would be $155 a month. So that is quite a difference for the ZX6R. And obviously, just having a bigger CC bike, that's going to do a whole lot to your insurance, your monthly payment. In the case that bigger bikes or higher CC bikes, race bikes, if that's in your budget and you want to go for that, go for it. Start on a bigger bike. There's nothing wrong with that. Just make sure you don't kill yourself. Learn slow speed maneuvers, do all that good stuff first before you start hitting the open road, highway, and going 150 miles per hour. You know, I only started on this bike because I wanted to work my way up, and I wanted to feel good about every single bike I get. I want to experience the 600s for the first time. I want to experience the power of the 600 for the first time. I want to experience 1,000 after that. It might only be 2 years after that, but I want to experience everything at a slow pace so I mature with the bikes and get experience with the bike before I upgrade. So that's just me anyways. You can do whatever the fuck you want! Also, smaller bikes are just really fun. They're way lighter than any bigger bike, like by 50 to 100 pounds less in weight. And these bikes are super flickable. You can flick all around. The twisties are really fun. You're gonna beat out almost anyone on a heavier bike with this bike. And if you bring it to the track, hey, more power to you. You can overtake people on this bike if they have a bigger bike. You just got to be skilled. I would love to go and bring this bike to the track. There's no track near me, and it's a lot of work to go to a track. I really want to, don't get me wrong. Like, I wish I could, because I've had this bike for a year now. I've ridden 3,000 plus miles on it. I've been told by countless people to bring this bike to the track, push it to its full limit, and man, I want to, but God. I try to get the fuck over. Well, we are gone out of there because I'm not wasting my time. I think it's been since the riding series that I've been here. The last time I came over here was to check out the flooding that was going on from the winter. Oh, squirrel, get out of the road. What's going on down here? We are finally back, boys. Oh, it's been so long. Woo! I'm gonna try to park up close over there, just to be by, you know, the water. All right, I'm gonna go down by the water and see what I can do, because it's been a while since I've been here. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Woo! Yeah, these are the views I'm talking about, guys. It has been the longest time since I've been here, and holy crap, it has not been more beautiful than this. The last time I was here too, the water was all the way up right down here. Oh my God, it has been too long. Hopefully I get to see a few more bikes on the way out tonight. That'd be pretty neat. All right, just like that, we're off. Hi, I'm on my bike right now. Oh. Well, that was my girlfriend, and I parked. God, where did I park? I almost parked in a handicap spot. About to be handicapped if she keeps calling me like that. I'm gonna crash. God, relaxing on that bench by the water is so nice. It's been a while since I just sat down there and looked at the water. It is beautiful, and I'm glad that the flood went down ever since I went there. Absolutely beautiful. Downtown Stillwater is awesome. Oh, nice bike, Harley. Yeah. The little third gear pulls. Oh my God. I can only imagine how powerful that would feel on a ZX6R. God, I should have done that. I should have just did a little boop forward and see how far I get jerked forward. That would have been fun. Well, anyways, it's getting cold now, and it's scaring the shit out of me because I don't want to have to deal with the cold again. Oh, what happened up here? Well, ain't that something? There he goes. I made the yellow arrow. I am happy now. Here we go. 15 miles per hour, 15 piles per, I don't even know. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. More content coming soon, obviously. You know me. I just pump out the content. Guys, ride safe out there. I'll see ya. Boop.